This is a demo to showcase how customers would use a factory setup with cloud services, both in the cloud as well as on the edge. So we showcase how to build luggage tags that are ordered in the cloud with a web front end. The orders are sent from the cloud down to the edge where we have our Greengrass solution, running this, controlling the whole processes locally without the need of cloud connectivity, have integrations into the machinery, and obviously run machine learning to do object detection and quality detection on the edge as well. With this setup, you can easily showcase how an event-driven architecture is built together and how our services fit together with the partners that provide the hardware and the integrations to the machinery itself. And what is most important is also the quality detection with machine learning, because that is something that a lot of customers are asking for. And how is the model trained in the cloud but executed on the edge? We have certain partner technologies in the demo, most prominently the edge solution where we run AWS IoT Greengrass. So we have a Thundercomm EB5 device which runs the main process control as well as the integration to the machinery. And then we have a Basler Camera that provides the imaging for the quality control itself.
We are partnering more and more with AWS. We see them as a strategic partner for most of our largest projects. Today we have engaged with them a joint development around the Thundercomm EB5, again to leverage the Qualcomm chipsets and to get the most out of this platform.
The heart of EB5 is a flagship Qualcomm system-on-chip SoC called QRB5165. The total performance of this flagship is roughly 15 TOPS teraoperation per second. It's an industrial grade processor for temperatures up to 105 degrees centigrade.